Hey my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing so good today. Sorry, I'm just seeing the mess on there. Anyway, I'm filming in a slightly different setup. I'm in my bedroom actually. RJ's asleep, Gary's out, he's working until quite late, he's at an event. So I thought I would come on here, do a few videos and yeah, super excited to do these ones. So recently purchased a new tinted moisturiser. You know I am a tinted moisturiser queen, so you already know from the title what I'm going to say, but drum roll please. The tinted moisturiser I'm going to be testing out is the iconic London Super Smoother Blurring, well it's a skin tint, tinted moisturiser skin tint. I feel like they're pretty much the same thing. But I have two shades because you know what I'm like, I never know what my shade is, and still to this day I feel like I'm in between like two shades. It really depends what the season is. So yeah, also I'm filming on my phone and I never know where to look, so apologies if I look like I'm not looking at you. I do mean to, but I don't know where to look, so there we are. Right, so the two shades that I have is Neutral Tan and Golden Medium. So these are like one after the other, so that next to each other, and both look really similar to what I thought my skin tone is. I don't know if it is. So I've been wanting to try this out for a while. I thought why not, got it in the Black Friday sale, it's already come. I have two, so as you can see they're not too dissimilar. One's a little bit more yellow. So Golden Medium and Neutral Tan, I'm going to test them both on the back of my hand and then see which one I think is my shade. I do think the darker one would suit me more when I have more of a tan, so I'm going to keep them both, or there might be something that I can mix together. We shall see. It's late, so I look tired. I feel tired. My skin at the moment is just causing me some issues. Anyway, first shade I'm going to swatch is, so this is Golden Tan, I think. Golden Medium, sorry. So that's Golden Medium. We'll use like my brush to kind of like, so that's Golden Medium. I bet you I'm probably not even either of these shades. And now Neutral Tan. I think I'm more Neutral Tan. Golden Medium is a little bit yellowy, so that is Neutral Tan. I think I'm more Neutral Tan. Golden Yellow, I mean, could work. I could mix them both and they could be great, but we're gonna go with Neutral Tan today. Anyway, so sorry, I've got fingerprints all over this. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really stunning. I actually thought it'd be a lot bigger. This is a 30ml bottle, so I didn't realise it was 30ml. I thought it was a little bit bigger. So it's quite a small package, but you know, little does sometimes go a long way. So let's see if that's the case in this case. So I'm just going to apply like a good size amount on the back of my hand, and we're going to use it as like a palette because I always do. So I'm just going to go in with this is a contour brush. I love this just to apply products all over my face. So I'd say this is more my shade. If you match it against my neck, it definitely is more my shade, but we'll see. Sorry if I'm being a bit quieter than normal, it's just because I don't want to wake up little man. Yeah, he's teething, bless him, so it's quite hard to get him back to sleep once he's awake. So that's really nice. It's blending in really nicely. Like, let me just do this side of my face. I'm going to apply a bit more. All right, I've just applied the same amount again onto the back of my hand. Just going to layer that over it again. So that's two coatings. I put lipstick on, by the way, because I just felt like trying to at least make a little bit of effort. So that's gone really nicely. Like, so this side of my face is done. Like, you can see a difference. Like, I think it looks really nice. Is it smoothing? I don't quite know. It's very sheer, which I like because I like something that's a bit more natural on me. It does suit my skin tone massively. I think this is a great shade for me. Goes on really nicely, doesn't look cakey, doesn't feel greasy at all. It's nice. I'm going to do the rest of my face and then we'll see what the deal is. I think people apply skin tints like foundation. Obviously you do put them all over your face, but I think people feel like they're going to get the same payoff, and it, you know, it's a skin tint. Like, it's not there to be full coverage. It's not there to be, you know, to completely give you like this ultra glam full cakey makeup look. Like, a skin tint is just there to give your skin exactly what it says, a skin tint, a little bit of a booster, and this does the job nicely. Like, I really like that. I think it looks really, really nice. Like, it like still textured, like it doesn't cover anything. Like, you can add concealer for that if you really need to, like if you feel like you need to cover some bits of your skin, you know, do what you need to do. But that looks really super, like, lovely on. Still textured but not greasy, not too dewy. Like, there is a nice little glow to it, but it's not too dewy like a wet look. It's stunning. That's kind of it. I've just added a bit of blusher and a teeny little bit of highlighter. So yeah, I really like this skin tint. The Iconic London skin tint it gets the like tick from me. I mean, what the longevity is like, does it darken over time? I don't know. I will kind of do like an update on Instagram. If you're not following me, do follow me. I really like that. I think it looks really nice. I think it's very even on the skin. I mean, yes, it doesn't cover things. Like, it's not a full coverage skin tint because it's not meant to be. It's just really nice. It's dewy, but it's not greasy. It blends really well. It's a really nice match to my skin, which is something that I applaud Iconic London for creating, because I rarely find something. It takes me a while, probably because I'm used to picking my match, but love it. Like, I love it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to go and fix my hair before I film my second video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.